Introduction. Warren Buffett, also known as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors in the world. He has a large following because of his ability to outperform the S&P 500. In this video, we will take a look at the top 6 stocks in Warren Buffett's portfolio for 2023. 1. Apple. The first stock on the list is Apple. Apple makes up 41.4% of Warren Buffett's invested assets, with close to $140 billion invested. Apple is viewed as a pillar investment for Berkshire Hathaway because of its branding power, incredible cash flow, and considerable capital return program. Apple has an exceptionally loyal customer base, and is currently the leading provider of smartphones in the US. Apple is evolving into a services-oriented company, which will improve long-term margins and minimize revenue fluctuations during physical product replacement cycles. What's more, Apple has repurchased well over $550 billion worth of its common stock over the past decade, and it's parsing out one of the largest nominal dollar dividends each year, almost $14.6 billion. Buffett loves publicly traded companies that reward their patient shareholders. 2. Bank of America. The second stock on the list is Bank of America. Bank of America is currently the undisputed favorite bank stock of Warren Buffett, as evidenced by the 10.8% weighting in Berkshire's investment portfolio. Buffett and his investing team favor bank stocks because they're cyclical and can take advantage of a simple numbers game that favors long-term investors. Even though recessions are inevitable, they're usually short-lived. Comparatively, economic expansions can go on for years. This allows banks to grow their loans and deposits and generate higher income over time. What makes Bank of America special is its interest rate sensitivity. With the Fed combating historically high inflation by raising interest rates, B of A is benefiting from higher interest rates on its outstanding variable rate loans. 3. Chevron. The third stock on the list is Chevron. Over the past year, Buffett and his cohorts have become big fans of the energy sector. That's why you've seen energy stock Chevron grow into Berkshire Hathaway's third-largest position. The logic behind having a $27 billion position in Chevron is that energy commodity prices will remain elevated for years to come. Although warmer weather has crushed the price of natural gas, supply constraints are buoying crude oil well above its average in recent years. Chevron has also done an excellent job of strengthening its balance sheet and rewarding its shareholders. 4. Verizon Communications. The fourth stock on the list is Verizon Communications. Verizon Communications makes up 6.8% of Warren Buffett's invested assets. Verizon Communications is one of the largest telecommunications companies in the world, providing wireless services to more than 120 million subscribers. Verizon's business is relatively stable, which makes it an attractive investment for Buffett. The company's wireless division generates strong cash flow, which has allowed it to invest in growth opportunities and pay a generous dividend to shareholders. 5. Coca-Cola. The fifth stock on the list is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola makes up 5.6% of Warren Buffett's invested assets. Coca-Cola is one of the most recognizable brands in the world and has a strong competitive advantage due to its distribution network and marketing power. Although soda consumption has declined in recent years, Coca-Cola has been able to adapt and evolve its product offerings to meet changing consumer tastes. The company's diverse product portfolio includes bottled water, tea, and sports drinks. 6. American Express. The sixth and final stock on the list is American Express. American Express makes up 4.4% of Warren Buffett's invested assets. American Express is a financial services company that provides credit cards, traveler's checks,